If there's any chance that you want to stay skinny through the holidays, then click off this video immediately. But if you're like the rest of us, including me, and after the holidays, you're going to get right back on track. New year, new me. And about 3 days in, that ship is completely going to sail away. Then this video is definitely for you. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am super excited to share today's recipe or treat, whatever you want to call it, with y'all. It is super simple and super delicious, and it takes about 5-10 minutes tops, and like I said, it's delicious and you won't regret it. It is marshmallow caramel popcorn. Doesn't that sound good? That sounds delicious. I will have the recipe down in the description box, and if you follow me over on Instagram, I'm going to start making highlights where I'm going to put recipes so that you can screenshot them and you can keep them for yourself, and it'll be nice and cute and pretty and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in that, please go follow me over on Instagram. But until then, let's make this popcorn because I need something sweet. I don't, but my mind's telling me yes. But my body's telling me no. Good stuff. Now, you could also make these into little balls. The only thing I will have to say is wait till this is cooled off before you start putting it into balls, because I literally just burnt my fingers to a crisp just now. But other than that, oh, also, and I don't know if y'all noticed, but I had to add more butter because I was trying to remember this recipe off the top of my head. So anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you'll go and try this because it is so good. It is so delicious and so easy. I will catch y'all in the next one. God bless y'all, and go and be a light out there. Also, make sure there's no kernels in there. Good grief, I about broke a tooth.